Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to initiate the demobilization of an employee from within a project in the employee directory of KEBS. Once the user navigates to the employee directory, the user can click on the Quick Actions option. Here, from the list, the user needs to select the Initiate Project Demobilization option. The Project Demobilization form appears. Here, the user needs to enter the name or ID of the person for whom the project demobilization is to take place and select the reason for the action. Once the Fetch Details option is clicked, the existing project details for the associate is displayed. The user can remove the projects for whom demobilization need not take place and make sure all the details are filled and specified for the project which is to be demobilized. Once all the particulars are checked, the Initiate Demobilization option is clicked and the particular project that has been mentioned within the form will be demobilized for the particular employee successfully, and the same will be reflected within the project's app. Thank you for watching.